Hey freelancers! Whether you're just starting out or have been on Fiverr for a while, this video is packed with tips to help you succeed. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on freelancing. Today, I'm sharing some awesome tips to become a Fiverr pro and get more clients and orders. These strategies can help you stand out in a crowded marketplace. If you're having trouble getting noticed on Fiverr, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from optimizing your gig titles to using Fiverr's promoted gigs feature. This could totally change your freelance career. Imagine getting more orders and building a steady stream of clients. First, let's talk about your gig titles and descriptions. These are the first things potential clients see, so they need to be spot on. Your title should be short, clear, and use important keywords. Think of it as your gig's headline. Think about what clients search for and use those words. This helps your gig appear in search results. For example, instead of graphic designer, try professional logo design for your business. This is more specific and appealing. This looks better and helps people find you. A well-crafted title can make a huge difference. Now, about your gig description. This is where you can really sell your services. Make it detailed and talk about what problems you solve for clients. Be clear about what you offer and how it benefits them. Show off your skills, experience, and what makes you special. Highlight any unique selling points. A good description can make you stand out and get you hired. It's your chance to make a great first impression. Next, pricing. This can be a tricky area, but it's crucial to get it right. Offer different packages to attract different clients. This way, you can cater to various budgets and needs. Have a basic, standard, and premium package. Each should offer more value than the last. This lets clients choose what fits their budget and needs. It also shows that you're flexible and can accommodate different requirements. It also shows you're flexible and professional. Clients appreciate having options. Now, visuals. This is often overlooked but incredibly important. Good pictures and videos make your gig look much better. They can significantly impact a client's decision to hire you. Use clear professional images that show what you do. Avoid blurry or low-quality photos. A short, fun video introducing yourself can build trust and show clients who you are. It's a great way to make a personal connection. Another important thing is how fast you reply. Responsiveness is key on Fiverr. Fiverr checks how quickly you answer questions, so reply fast. This can improve your ranking on the platform. It helps your ranking and shows clients you're reliable and ready to work. Quick responses can lead to more orders. Don't forget ratings and reviews. These are crucial for building your reputation. Good reviews are super important on Fiverr. They can make or break your success on the platform. Do great work and ask happy clients to leave a review. Positive feedback can attract more clients. Don't be shy to ask for feedback. Most clients are happy to help if they're satisfied with your work. It really helps. A collection of good reviews can set you apart from the competition. Pro tip: stay active on Fiverr. Activity on the platform can boost your visibility. Regularly update your gigs and stay logged in. This shows Fiverr that you're engaged and ready for work. Fiverr likes active users, so use the platform often. Consistent activity can lead to more opportunities. Finally, try Fiverr's promoted gigs. This feature can give your gigs a visibility boost. It costs money, but it can help more people see your gig. Think of it as a marketing investment. Think of it as investing in your business. A small investment can lead to significant returns. Okay, freelancers, those are my best tips for doing well on Fiverr and getting more clients and orders. Implement these strategies and watch your freelance career take off. Remember, consistency and quality are key. Keep delivering great work and stay committed. Keep improving your profile, stay active, and do amazing work. Thanks for watching. Your success is just a few steps away. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more freelance tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you next time. Keep hustling and stay creative. Affiliate Guru Guide watermark text.